So in this module, we are going to study the different forms of the straight line. The different forms of the straight line. So there is first one is 2-point form of a straight line. So here, if 2 points are given, then to find the equation of the straight line. So when the 2 points are given, observe this one. And we know that slope of a particular straight line is constant. So using that concept we have to find the slope of the equation of the straight line. So consider a straight line. So this is the general point P x comma y. This one is a given point x2 y2. This one is the given point x1 y1. So let us call this is A, this is B. This point is A, this point is B. X comma y is any point on the straight line anywhere in this one, general point. So we know that the slope of the line is constant. So therefore, first using given point slope of AB, we can find slope of line. So x1 y1 x2 y2 using the formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And since the slope, if we take these two or these two, slope is always constant. So therefore, first find slope of AB, then slope of PA and make them equal. Yes? Since here A and B are given point, P x comma y B any point on a line. We know that slope of a line is always constant. Slope of a particular line. So if you consider slope here, this one is same as the slope using these points, slope using these 2 points, or any 2 points if you consider which are on the line, then slope is always constant. Here slope of line using 2 points A and B is, so x1 y1 x2 y2. Slope is given by y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So already we learned this one, m equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So next one, consider these 2 points, slope using AB. Slope using AP, y minus y1 x minus x1, y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. This is also equal to m. So since we are considering the same line, so therefore slope is constant. So using these 2 points, find the slope, that is y2 minus y by x minus x1. Using this 2 point, find the slope, that is y minus y1 x minus x1. Since slope is constant, therefore slope of AP equal to slope of AB, that is y2 minus y1, sorry, y minus y1 x minus x1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is known as 2-point form, x1 y1 x2 y2. So 2-point form of a line. Yes. So this is a 2 marks question. Y minus y1 divided by x minus x1 equal to y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1 is the equation of straight line in 2-point form. 2 points are given. Then we can find the equation of line using this formula. Yes. So solve this. Find the equation of line. Solve this problem. Find the equation of a line which passes through point 3, 4 and 5, 2. So 2 points are given. 2 points are given. Therefore, x1, y1, any one of these two, x1, y1, 3, 4, x2, y2, 5, 2. Equation of line. So 2 points are given here using 2 points is y minus y1 divided by x minus x1, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Therefore, y minus y1 is 4, x minus x1 is 3, y2 minus y1 5, 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4, x2 minus x1 5 minus 3. Therefore, y minus 4 x minus 3 equal to, this becomes minus 2 divided by 2. Therefore, y minus 4 x minus 3 equal to, this becomes minus 1. Cross product these two, y minus 4 equal to minus 1 into x minus 3. Therefore, y minus 4 equal to minus x plus 3. Therefore, so write x always positive. Therefore, bring it to LHS. X plus y minus 4 minus 3 equal to 0. Y plus x minus 4 minus 3. Therefore, x plus y minus 7 equal to 0 is the equation of line in using 2-point form.